Terra Classic coin is set to start burning 600 million coins on a daily basis. Right now, they burn almost 200 million coins. Now, with 600 million coins burned on a daily basis, LUNC will be burning about 18 billion coins in a single month. Okay, yes, that should be around 18 billion coins in a single month. Now, in a year, Terra Classic will be burning towards 230 or 228 billion coins in a year, which simply means in 5 years, Terra Classic should be burning about 1.1 or 1.2 trillion coins. Now, for them to burn out the supply they have, it will take Terra Classic about almost 20 years or 25 years for Terra Classic to burn out the supply they have. If they keep burning on an average of between 150 million to 200 million coins, sorry, not 150, I'm not saying, if they keep burning an average of 400 to 600 million coins on a daily basis, okay? But based on the current burning of Terra Classic, it will take LUNC almost 75 years to burn out the supply they have. So I'm happy that yes, they are working hard, planning to increase the burning rate of Terra Classic, and if they eventually start burning 600 million coins on a daily basis, which is a total of about 18 billion coins on the monthly basis, I'm sure this will help Terra Classic. But it will still need a lot of time for Terra Classic to reach that dream, to hit that 1 cent, to reach that $1. Though I believe with an average burning of 18 billion coins in a month can really push Terra Classic towards reaching 1 penny within the next 4 to 5 years. But for me, Terra Classic does not have that long time. So this is why I believe it is good to start whatever they want to start, but they still have a second plan on how to still reduce these years downward, because we can't be waiting for over 25 years to burn out. Because the truth is, if anyone is not telling you, I will tell you the truth. What is holding LUNC from pushing towards 1 cent is the supply they have. So it will not be easy for them to burn out the supply, and even the 600 million daily burn is yet not fully confirmed. So though they have the great plans of how to do this, but the only time I can see LUNC reaching 1 cent within the space of 2-3 years is once they start burning towards 5 to 10 billion coins in a day, which we all know is not going to be possible for now. So what am I saying? What I'm saying is that for me, they should start by burning the remaining supply they have right now. Let's see what Terra Classic will be burning. At least we still have a lot. And also, the staking of LUNC has been reduced. But if Terra Classic can also increase the amount they are giving out on the staking, when say you want to stake over $1,000 worth of Terra Classic, and let's assume you are staking this for the period of 6 months, there should be a higher reward. This will encourage people to stake more of that Terra Classic rather than selling, and it will help to reduce the supply, the circulating supply of Terra Classic LUNC. But apart from that, I believe that the 600 million LUNC burn on a daily basis, they plan to burn the 600 million is still a great one. At least they have been trying in the past few weeks, even though they know that it is not easy to manage, it is not easy to keep on pushing, it is not easy to keep on holding Terra Classic at this point. I mean, this is a point where so many people have given up on Terra Classic, and yet the coin still trying to struggle to stand. Not most crypto coins, I tell you, not out of 100 coins, maybe only 10 coins can survive what Terra Classic have really passed through in the past 1 year. That is why whenever I look at LUNC, I just look at this coin, I was like, wow, they are really trying. Despite what has been going on with Terra Classic, it is not easy. And I believe we should thank Binance for all this. Well, let's hope for the best. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.